Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, if you have any of the following codes such as P0443 or P0444 guys on a Mazda CX-7, this is related to the purge valve guys. Purge valve, also known as fuel tank breather valve. Okay, this is the valve that lets the vapors from the fuel tank come to the engine, go inside the intake, burn through the engine, so that way guys the car is more efficient and you do not emit pollution in the air. We'll show you guys how to test that purge valve even without removing it and make sure that it's working. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. So let's go ahead and start on the problem now. So when you guys open the hood of your Mazda CX-7, okay, this is the valve right here. On that CX-7 it's super easy to get to. This is your purge valve. This is the hose that comes from the fuel tank. This is the hose that goes in the intake manifold. Now, you can test it manually without any equipment, just applying a 12 volt supply to the two wires here, positive and negative, and you will hear the valve opening or closing. But, especially on some cars guys, they're really hard to get to, so in today's video guys, with the help of MaxiC's, we'll show you how we're going to test ours. Let me show you now here, okay, what we'll be doing. I need to go ahead and get the programming device that comes with it so we can connect it to the USB port and show you how to do it. So this is guys the wireless device that you just connect to your Mazda. Okay, it goes only one way. Perfect, we have communication there. Now I'll get inside, okay, and I will show you guys, okay, what we'll be doing next. Now I want to show you quick guys, okay, this computer works on any car, not just Mazda CX-7. Okay, this is a dealer level equipment guys, scanner. You can read and delete codes from every module, you can do programming. Quite complicated system and it's a little bit expensive, but if you work on cars guys, that thing pays off pretty quick. Because you can test so many components even without removing them. Okay, so that gives you the power to save time. That way you can guys make more money. Okay, fix more cars. So I'll go ahead, turn the ignition on now. Okay, ignition is on. We'll click VIN detection, auto detect. Now it's going to read the VIN number of that vehicle. It's going to decode it. And it will automatically select what the vehicle is, so we don't have to manually do that. Otherwise, it's possible, but you have to select Mazda 2010 2.3 engine, 4-wheel drive. You can see all that is in the VIN number, so the system can decode it. Now, ours does not have advanced keyless entry. Okay, and now it's loading the software, so that will take just a little bit of time for everything. And if you guys need to buy some parts or anything, a purge valve or check out this computer, all that will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please do check it out. Okay, it's working on it now, it will be any minute. Yep, we'll go to diagnostics. Next, okay, we need to select control unit. After that, we'll select guys engine. This is PCM, powertrain control module. We select this one and we'll click active test. Under active test, it's going to load all the different things that we can check with that computer, activate, deactivate, which is pretty handy. Okay, almost there. Perfect. Now, what we have right here guys, okay, you can see Evaporative Emission Canister Purge Valve Duty Cycle. Okay, that's the one under the hood. Okay, this one is by the fuel tank. Emission Canister Vent Valve. Okay, that's a different valve. You have one in the back of the vehicle, one on the front. That's the one under the hood in the engine compartment. So we'll click this one now. And that too, guys, being wireless, it's super handy because I can just take it with me now outside, okay, and I can hear, okay, if it's activating the valve or not. Now I'm going to click how many percent we want to increase it, and you're going to start hearing the valve clicking. Listen now. And if I go 100%, it's going to be just open. So that valve, guys, is working. Ours is opening and closing, so you can definitely feel it. Now another way to test it is you remove that connector, you apply 12 volt to the wires, and if you remove the hose and you see if air will flow from this side to this side when the valve is open and you have a 12 volt supply. So that's it, guys, pretty simple. Thank you for watching. Please. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.